Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Blackburn, but I go by Kayla. I live in Plummer, Minnesota. It's pretty far north. Time zone is central. I live in the country in about 300 acres, so no neighbors. My current professional setting, I just had this guy right here. His name is Noah, about 5 weeks ago, so I'm at home. And I also own a farm, so I do all the accounting and paperwork and stuff for that. And I'm getting my master's in reading instruction and then also my MBA right now. So that keeps me busy enough. I graduated from student teaching K through 6 in December. So I got my license and then just decided to keep going and finish my schooling while I was at home with him. What have I been reading lately? I just got done with the semester, so those textbooks and then also baby books, of course. Trying to learn everything. This is my first. And now we'll be reading stuff for this class. Don't have much free time other than that, as I would like to read. Tell you about myself. So, like I said, this is my first son. I also live with my husband, and we have 2 dogs named Cash and Wylan. We love anything outdoors. We have a lake place in Detroit Lake, so we just got back from there to enjoy the weekend before school started. So we love to fish, camp, 4-wheel, any of that stuff. My expectations for this course are just to learn as much as I possibly can to help me be a better teacher. So thank you, good luck to everyone, and I hope your semester goes well.